How to install G-Tracker app. G-Tracker is a progressive web app. This means you do not download it from Play Store. You install it directly from a supported browser. Step 1. Use the correct browser to install G-Tracker. You must open it in a real web browser. White heavy checkmark supported browsers use any of the following: Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Brave browser, Samsung, Internet, Mozilla Firefox. These browsers support PWA installation. Crossmark unsupported browsers do not open G-Tracker using Facebook browser, Messenger browser, WhatsApp, in-app browser, Phoenix browser, VidMate. You see Mini Opera Mini any app that only looks like a browser. These apps cannot install PWAs. Warning: if you open G-Tracker in these apps, install app will not appear. Step 2. Open G-Tracker in a supported browser. Copy the G-Tracker website link, open Google Chrome, paste the link in the address bar, press enter. Make sure the website opens directly in the browser, not inside another app. Step 3. Install G-Tracker app. Method 1. Install pop-up after the site loads. You may see a message saying, add G-Tracker to home screen, tap install or add. Method 2. Install using browser menu. If the pop-up does not appear, tap the 3 dots at the top right of the browser, select add to home screen or install app. Confirm by tapping install. Step 4. Confirm installation. G-Tracker icon will appear on your home screen. Open it like a normal app. No internet is needed for basic use after installation. Important notes for first users: G-Tracker is not a Play Store app. Installation only works in real browsers. If you do not see the install option, you are using the wrong browser. Open it again in Google Chrome. Common problems and solutions. Problem: I don't see install app. Solution: you are likely using Facebook, WhatsApp, Phoenix, or VidMate. Copy the link and open it in Google Chrome. Problem: app opens like a website every time. Solution: you did not install it yet. Use the 3 dots menu, add to home screen. Final reminder: backhand index pointing right. Always use Google Chrome or a supported browser. Backhand index pointing right. Do not open G-Tracker inside other apps.